Hi, and welcome to our Student Expenses Quick Overview Guide. In this short video, we'll continue our run-through of how you can use our apps on any of your devices. We'll show you how to use our web app, as well as taking a look at the iPad version and its support for iPad OS multitasking. If you've not yet watched our introductory overview, which walks you through the app as a demo user, we recommend you view this first. If you're all set though, let's get you started with the web app version. Our web app is supported on all modern browsers, and in this video, we have used Chrome. To get started, just visit our website at studentexpenses.com. From here, you will see that we have a web login button located at the top of the homepage. This is a shortcut to the app, which is located at app.studentexpenses.com. Tapping the login button will open up the web app in a new tab. Our web app should now look familiar, as it is essentially the same as our mobile app. The login page allows you to log in with your email and password, register a new user, or try out the demo. In our case, let's use the demo login. The home screen lets you scroll up and down with your mouse, and then simply click to action or select items. Being a modern web app, you can take full advantage of our responsive layouts. Resizing the browser, you can shrink to a more mobile page size, or expand out for a desktop or tablet layout. As with all websites, you can choose to save the shortcut in your browser favorites for easier access. In addition though, you may want to use the option to install our Expenses app as a web app. Installing as a web app is a simple process, and it basically sets up a desktop shortcut, making it easier to launch the app next time. To install as a web app, click the install icon that will appear on the browser bar. On first install, the web app automatically starts back up, but this time, it will be in a cleaner browser interface. If we close the app, we will see that we have now created a desktop shortcut. You can choose to rename this, or move it around, but essentially, this is now a quick way for you to get into the app next time. Once restarted, you can opt to choose to change your color or theme as before, and these will stay the same until you change them again. App-wise, the web version provides all the functionality of our mobile app. Navigating around, you can choose to view existing claims, navigate to lines and view any detail. Heading back to the home screen, you can also drill into your statistics or reports and take advantage of the larger screen size. Okay, now that you understand the web app and its larger layouts, let's move on to look at the iPad app. The iPad app is installed from the App Store, and you then access it by tapping the Expenses icon. When opened, you can log in with your email and password, or, as in our example, you can opt to use the demo login. On the home screen you will see a larger layout, similar to our web app design. To view content, simply scroll up and down the lists, and tap to select or navigate. As shown with the web app, the larger screen is great for drilling into details, such as reports and graphs. Navigating around the app, you will see that it is identical to the mobile app. In the example shown, we can tap the Expenses option and navigate to see our claims. Going into the detail, we can easily review lines, as well as any attachments. Navigating back to the home screen and then, into Documents, we can use the larger screen for reporting. In the example shown, we can select the Income and Expenditure report, and then get a full screen preview. Before we take a look at the latest iPad multitasking features, remember you can also change the colors and themes if you wish. Here we select Dark Mode and change the color. After reviewing, we then decide to change back to Light Mode instead. Okay, for the advanced iPad users, we can confirm that we fully support iPad OS multitasking. Essentially, multitasking allows you to select the dot menu on the iPad and use split or slide over views. In the example shown, we select split view, sharing the screen with Safari. We can move left side, right side, and even size the screen as required. Providing a smaller popover layout for the app, we can also select slide over. In this mode, an app can be pushed to side of the screen, hidden away. When you want it back, you then simply slide it back in and out as required. When you want it back to full screen, select the dot menu and choose full screen. Okay, that concludes our look at the additional devices that we support, and we hope you get a chance to try them out. Our key goal has always been to let you manage your expenses on any device, and we hope we managed this for you.